Number 41, the scatter plot shows the low temperature and high temperature each day for a 2-week period of time. Based on the scatter plot, which is the best prediction of the high temperature in degrees Fahrenheit on a day when the low temperature is 71 degrees Fahrenheit? It's a scatter plot, so we're going to use something called line of best fit. So the data points are scattered all over the place, but they are kind of linear. So we use a line of best fit so we can draw a line straight through the middle and try to get the same amount of points on either side. It is kind of a guess, but we can kind of see the linear relationship already. So we're going to place this right here. Yours might be a little bit different than that, but that's pretty close. So our question says, based on the scatter plot, which is the best prediction of the high temperature in degrees Fahrenheit on a day when the low temperature is 71 degrees? So let's look at 71 degrees. Let's mark that on our graph right there. So really what we want to do is now we have our line of best fit intersecting with our 71 degrees line. So we take an arrow and point right there. Which one is closest? So it looks like we're sitting right about 87 degrees, maybe a little bit more. All the other ones, 92 degrees, 101 degrees, 100 degrees, are too far off of that. So we only got one option on this one on our line of best fit. Our correct answer to this question, C, 88 degrees.